end zone. They take it, get stopped with no yards. 2nd and goal. He's watching. And incomplete pass. They will go for the throw, and he dives in for the touchdown. And it's a doink on the field goal, but he still makes it. This kicker is amazing. LSU has to punt it. They take it, Rolling catches it. He's at the 30, the 20, the 15, the 10, the 5. And it's a touchdown, a 56-yard touchdown by Rolling. He's doing amazing tonight. Not just running the ball, but also receiving the ball. Boom! And it's caught by Green. LSU has possession, and they punt it. Rolling runs it, and he gets stopped. Only taking it 1 yard. 2nd and 1. 2nd and 9. Takes it. Bush catches it. And gets a couple yards on the play. Green comes back. He throws it to Green, but it's an incomplete pass. Green was just locked up on the play. That time he's not. And he breaks one tackle, but then ends up getting tackled by the second guy. Throws it up, and it's an interception. But this is not the end of their game, because they still have a chance to win. And they do win this game, 35-3. Amazing game by Louisville. Good night, everyone.